Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Putri Hilda Vanessa.
My name is Lelian Nora Firdausi.
And my name is Aprilia Syafnan Intias. Today, we are going to review a journal article about applied linguistics and language learning or teaching. Masya.
Review journal, the title Evaluating and Testing English Language Skill Benchmarking the TOEFL and ELTS Test. Journal name, Bulletin of the Faculty of Language and Translation. Volume and page, volume 25 page, 243 to 266. Year 20 and 23. Writer, Dr. Haitan Bakri. Reviewer, Aprilia Syafran Intias, Lelian Nora Firdausi, and Putri Hilda Vanessa. Review date for June 2024. Journal article consists of the first of abstract, introduction, literature review, and result and discussion and conclusion.
Okay, the first is abstract. The abstract in the journal focus on the evaluation and testing of English language skill, specifically benchmarking the TOEFL and IELTS tests. It mentioned that standardized English tests are crucial for international students and that TOEFL and IELTS are widely used worldwide. The study aimed to test the validity of this placement test by gathering data on face validity and construct validity from respondents taking the exam in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The abstract highlights the importance of understanding how students view their own achievement and the significance of standardized English tests in the academic context.
The introduction in the journal discusses the importance of testing English language skills in classroom worldwide. It emphasizes the significance of understanding how students perceive their own achievement, noting that student grades often differ from their expectation. The introduction highlights the flexibility rather than rigidity of English language skills testing and underscores the key factor of validity and reliability testing. It also raises questions about the evaluation process of English skill, acceptable standard by institution, and the methods deemed reliable by IELTS teachers for assessing English language skill. In the literature review of the article mentioned, there are several main themes discussed related to the evaluation and testing of English language skill, especially in the context of the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Some of the main themes that emerged in the literature review include the first, the importance of English proficiency testing. The literature review highlights that English proficiency testing is important part of English language skills in the language classroom around the world. It is essential for measuring student progress and ensuring that they are prepared for the academic challenge they face.
Next is students' perception of their achievement. The literature review saw that there is often a discrepancy between the grades obtained by students and their expectation of achievement. This saw the importance of understanding how students perceive their achievement in English language testing. The next is test validity and reliability. The literature review highlights the importance of validity and reliability in English language proficiency testing. Fundamental questions were raised regarding how the English language testing process is evaluated, the standard accepted by institution, and the method considered reliable by IELTS researchers and teachers.
The next is use of TOEFL and IELTS. Previous studies have highlighted the importance of TOEFL and IELTS exam for foreign speakers of English who want to study abroad or take interviews for jobs. This exam help test takers to know their level of English accurately and encourage them to improve professionally. Such as the literature review in the article provides a strong theoretical foundation and relevant context for the study of English language proficiently, evaluation and testing, especially in the context of TOEFL and IELTS exam.
The next is research design. The research design of the article involved collecting data on the validity of TOEFL and IELTS exam for respondents who were taking this exam in the Riyadh area of Saudi Arabia. The study aims to examine the validity of placement exam TOEFL and IELTS with a focus on face validity and construct validity. The research method used involves collecting data from a questionnaire containing questions related to respondent perception of the exam they are taking or will be taking. The questionnaire is likely to cover aspects of construct validity by measuring a number of important exam-related terms, such as the relevance of exam content, the appropriateness of text and assessment criteria, and the relationship between exam result and indicator of criteria of academic language ability.
The result and discussion of the study include analyzing data using SPSS, presenting the results in tables and figures, and using inferential statistics to make relative inference. The study assessed student English language proficiency levels, weakness, and the strength through questionnaires to help language teachers improve test efficiency. The findings of this study show that the placement test was valid and reliable. Most respondents also report that the test fulfilled their requirements to study abroad. Measure the construct validity of the C-test or language proficiency test to assess writing, speaking, listening, and writing skills using RES measurement. Similarly, on the TOEFL EPT, writing tests are based on reading, listening, and writing because language tests should reflect how a language is used. Interpreting reliability values, RES scores follow an expected response.
Okay, for the conclusion of the journal article emphasizes the validity and reliability of the TOEFL and IELTS exam for assessing English language skill among students in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The study highlights the importance of standardized English tests in evaluating language proficiency and the need for continuous evaluation and improvement of placement tests. The findings suggest that the tests are valid and reliable, with students meeting their requirement and demonstrating proficiency in reading, listening, speaking, and writing skills. The use of the RES measurement model further support the reliability of the test. The positive correlation between test scores and face validity scores indicates the validity of the exam. Future research could focus on exploring the individual validity and reliability of tests in more detail.